Hey, Boomer here. Did you know that it takes about 8 minutes for 16 pigs to devour the human body? It's quite fascinating, huh? How do I know that shit? Well, I had Sal time me. I mean, I had Sal watch a video on it once on YouTube. Quite disgusting. I wouldn't recommend it. Don't fucking Google that shit either. I'm sure have the alphabet people looking for you. Everybody have a good night now. All right? Blessings to your family. Stay strapped, all right?